Ever wanted to create a colorful, fun storybook for kids without needing expensive software or design skills? Today, I'm going to show you how to make one easily using Canva. First, start by logging into Canva and searching for children's storybook templates. Canva has tons of ready-made templates that are perfect for any theme, from magical adventures to bedtime tales. Browse through them and pick one that sparks your creativity. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize the pages. You can change the text to tell your story, add character names, or even create dialogue bubbles. Canva's drag and drop interface makes it super simple to move elements around, resize images, or swap backgrounds. Next, bring your story to life with illustrations and images. Canva offers a huge library of graphics and cute characters. You can also upload your own drawings or photos to make it truly unique. Experiment with colors, fonts, and layouts to make the pages visually engaging for kids. Don't forget to add interactive touches like speech bubbles, fun icons, or even simple animations if you're planning to share the story digitally. Small details like these can make reading your storybook a lot more exciting for little readers. Finally, once your storybook looks perfect, click on download and choose your preferred format, PDF for printing or a shareable digital version. And just like that, you have your very own custom kids storybook ready to entertain and inspire. Creating a storybook has never been this easy. With Canva, imagination is your only limit, and your next favorite story could be just a few clicks away.